Hello guys, it's me Z from Wireless Solution, and today I'm going to show you the new it's the new Alcatel 7. So let's study about the phone. So in the new Alcatel 7, it's going to be 4G Lite, Android, 6 inches the display. That is really cool. 12 megapixel is the camera, 2 megapixel is the other camera, because it has dual cameras. Come on, what you're doing? It has dual cameras at the back, and with dual flash. 8 megapixel is the front facing camera, 32 gigabyte is the memory, 2 gigabyte is the RAM, and the RAM and the processor is 2.5 octa-core processor. That is pretty nice. So I have two phones. The one I already opened. Sorry for that. So the other one, the phone we are talking about, is this one. I already turned it on, so you can see the screen is really smooth, really nice. And let's see what we have first in the box. So let's open the box. So it comes with the charger. That is the C-type charger, because the phone you are using has a type C charger. It has type C charger. You can see that charge your phone really fast. The new generation 2 for the chargers, for especially in Androids. So that's pretty much inside the box. So if we see the phone is really smooth, really nice. Plus I really like the back. It's really smooth. What you can do if you buy the case for it, that will be really nice, because the battery is built in. It's non-removable. It has the SIM card, and the memory card you can put it here. It has the SIM cards kits. Plus if we can see the camera of the phone, so you can see the camera of the phone is really nice. It's the camera of the phone, it's really nice. 12 megapixel. Plus the other feature it has two cameras. You can see two cameras with the flash, and it's the fingerprint scanner. That's pretty advanced as compared for Alcatel phones. What else you can do is you can see all the apps, etc. The processor is really good. It's 2, so it will be fast. You can play your games on it. The battery is built in. It can take the SD card up to 128 gigabyte, and that's pretty much for the phone. I think you can use 2 screens at the one time. I don't think so. In this one you can. Oh yeah, you can see you can use 2 screens at the one time. So what you need to do, you will do it like this and this. You can see these are the contacts and this. So for what you can do for 2 screens, so I'll show you how you can use the double screen at the same time. So what you gonna do, you can see this button. You will do this and then press and hold this. So once you press and hold this one, so the other screen will take it to the half, right? So you can see this option is changed right now. So let's suppose you are going to the contacts. So that is already there. Okay, I'm going to the Gmail, so it will be dual screens. Like you can split the screen into 2, and that's pretty good. While you are finishing the screen, so you need to swipe it down and it will finish itself. So that's pretty good in this phone. While the price that really make me surprised, the price that The original price of the phone is 180, but with Metro PCS you can get it for just 129.99, plus the first month bill and activation. While if you want to port in any other carrier to Metro PCS, let's suppose you have any other carrier like Cricket, Boost, AT&T, any other carrier, you can switch it to Metro PCS and you can get this phone for free. And I really like the back. It's really smooth, and they make it really not really perfect, but it's perfect, you can say. So I'll recommend you, either if you want to port in, you can go with LG Stylo 4 or this one. Give it a try. Most of the people, as compared to the price, is just $129. It's really cool phone. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel for more videos.